everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As promised in my last video, when I told you that I'm gonna continue with the Cararama models videos, I'm keeping my promise and I'm doing that now. If you haven't checked my videos on the Lamborghini series and the Gallardo Superleggera I built, you can check them out in my channel. This Cararama model is an amazing Porsche Carrera GT. A very rare and very cool car. It has the silver exterior color and the two-tone black and red interior colors. And now, without further ado, let me take it out of the box. The model is really cool. I like it a lot. And now let me take it off the stand. This model has very great details. I like the headlights made of separated pieces of plastic. Also, I like the license plate, the Porsche emblem up front. The details on the interior are very good as well. Also, the engine is made out awesome. Check out that cool interior and the engine cover. It also has brake rotors and brake calipers. Okay guys, so this is gonna be the end of the Porsche Carrera GT video. If you like the video, you can subscribe for more cool videos. And if you're looking to buy this cool Porsche, I'll leave a link for you in the description. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.